Good morning, 6th standard. This is Mrs. Sheila Bosco here for the next lesson, garbage in, garbage out. I think all other lessons you have completed, and last week I gave you 3 tests. You would have completed. All that I'll be checking next Thursday onwards. Now, before going into the class, I want to ask you a few questions. What is garbage? Do you have any idea about garbage? Okay. If you don't have any idea, but you all know what is garbage. Everyone knows. Yes. What you do in the class corner? Before I could come to enter the class, what will you do? Yes, you're right. Yes. You clean everything and put in the bin, right? That's what garbage. That's what the dust, unwanted things what we throw out. It is called garbage. Nowadays, our life has changed. Those days, no plastics, not much of garbage. Everything was natural. Now, everywhere you can see plastic plates, paper plates, paper tumblers, polythene bags, everywhere. These are all the garbage which polluting the land as well as the air. Now, the waste material, what you call the garbage, what we throw, we cannot use it again and again. See, if you are throwing something out that is not needed for you, that is cannot be used again. You will not throw your uniform dress the evening. Morning you wear it and you will not throw it out. It's because it can be used again and again. It has to be washed, ironed, and it has to be used again. Some things, if you suppose you are drinking a cup of tea in a tumbler, you cannot have that plastic tumbler again and again, because the first time usage itself, the plastic loses its sterility, that is cleanliness. It's lost it. The paper, it will get wet almost before finishing the coffee. The shape will change. You cannot reuse it. Paper plates, all that like that. Apart from that, suppose a plastic container, you emptied, you have finished using it, you will not fill it again, because with the container you are getting it again. For example, you are buying a liquid for cleaning the floor. The next comes in a container, you're not getting it in loose. So you will throw this container out. Like that, everyone throws so many containers, so many plastic bags, so many things, paper plates, so many paper cups, throw outside. Here, I want to tell you something very important. We are harming the land as well as the air. Already we are facing lot of problems now. See, for example, I used to tell you to watch television news or radio news, whatever it is. What's happening in Delhi? I want you all to know about it. What's happening in Delhi? Oxygen has become very less. Now, you could see, if you watch TV, almost you people are doing now. Watch TV, what are they asking us to do? One day, you stop your vehicles. For what? We don't want to pollute the air. See, these are the things we are going to learn about. What is garbage? How can we reduce it? How can we recycle it? Reuse it? Or how can stop this? See, that is the final solution for this. So, dear children, even if you are throwing a paper, just see, can be reused. Yes, I taught you how to make a paper baskets. I taught you how to make, how to soak it, what you have to add it. All that I taught you. But everything will go. It's there in under your layer of your brain. Anyway, now garbage in, garbage out. What do you mean by garbage in and garbage out? See, there are some garbage from inside the houses we are throwing it off. Garbages that thrown out can bring it in. How? That is what you are going to learn about. Can bring it inside. Now, first of all, what is the sources of water? Rain is the main source of water. What you must be thinking, where Miss is going out of the track? No, I'm in the track. I'll connect you. Just wait, okay? Listen carefully. Main source of water is rain. What's happening? You have two types of waste. One is biodegradable waste. Another one is non-biodegradable waste. What is mean by biodegradable? What is non-biodegradable? I'll explain now. Suppose you are throwing vegetable waste from the kitchen. After 2 days, go and search in the same place. I don't think you will find it. It can decompose. It will decompose and mix with the soil. Suppose you try to throw a small plastic sheet in your garden and see every day. You'll be seeing years together. Yes. Suppose you're throwing so many plastic paper. What's wrong? They will not decompose. It will take thousands and thousands of years. It's not even now they have not predicted how many years it will take to decompose. It will not decompose at all. Some scientists are feeling it cannot decompose at all. Some are feeling maybe thousands of years. Now, what's the problem is, let it be in one side. Yes, let it be in one side. But with the usage, it's covering the whole land. What's wrong? You let it cover it, miss. What's wrong? Now, are we getting rain every day? No. Once in a while we are getting rain. That has to go to the soil and deep inside the water table. I taught you what is water table before. So, when it touches the water table, then it will be stored there. Then we will be taking in a different format. We'll use a motor, or we dig a well, or we do something like that, okay, and take out the water from the soil. Then there are so many living things that all the plant kingdom, they suck the water from the soil. But what happens when it's not decomposes? It covers. Suppose you take a plastic cover. It takes a square shape. Okay, you take one small square, it takes. In that, the rainwater cannot go inside. Where it goes? It goes and fill the rivers. Now, we cannot blame the government, either we cannot blame anybody. We don't have much water storage places. All the rivers are not there now. Even when I was a childhood, I have seen many small rivers. Now it's not there. When I was traveling, I noticed. Now lakes have become houses now. Then all the water resources, water storing agencies are vanished. We have taken them. What happens? The only source where there is the water can go, it goes and mixes with the sea. Sea water cannot be used. Now the place that's square, where there is no water goes in, it cannot retain any water there, so no plant can grow in that particular place. Imagine I am talking about only one polythene cover. Imagine per day how many polythene covers are used by the people, are used by the whole world, are, yes, how much place it is taking up. Now, what we can do for this? We have to divide. When we are putting itself, we have to divide. Now, I want everybody, those who are staying in township, they have kept 3 dustbins. You must have seen near your house. They have clearly written biodegradable, degradable and reusable waste. Suppose for example, some cloth or something like that can be kept it in that place. It can be used by a poor person. So, the introduction part of it, I want to ask you some questions. That question you answer in your mind. I may ask anyone from the class to answer the question. Question number 1. How can you reduce the garbage? Or at home, our mummy, our daddy, or you, are you separating the waste biodegradable and degradable? Third, think of reusing it. How can we reuse it? How can we reuse the same material? What are the ways you can keep the land safe? Next, what will be the biggest problem we are going to face after some time? These first 5 questions for you to recall, think and come back to me. This is the introduction part of the lesson 16, garbage in, garbage out. I'll come back next. I'll continue the class next session. Thank you. Stay safe.